Today marked day 2 that the U.S. Supreme Court heard arguments on same-sex marriage.
The case challenges the Defense of Marriage Act, which defines marriage as a union between one man and one woman. But for one Robbinsdale couple, today's hearing is personal. Sonia Goins has their story.
It's a boy. Okay, come on, here we go.
Doug, Benson, and Duane Gajewski have been together over 22 years. The two have committed their love to each other many times.
This is our Vermont civil union in 2000 with our wedding party.
They were one of the first couples to get married in Thunder Bay, Canada.
That's us crying while we're taking our vows.
The Robbinsdale couple also tied the knot in San Francisco.
It was also rushed. All we could really come up with, like zipper pulls that said love on them, and so that's what we exchanged.
But the state of Minnesota doesn't recognize any of their documents.
We feel that we have a constitutional right to be legally married.
In 2010, the couple sued the state of Minnesota for the right to marry.
You can't deny people a government document simply because they're because of their sexual orientation.
They say a marriage certificate is a small piece of paper, but it carries a lot of weight, something the two of them don't have right now.
If I were to become disabled, my disability benefits would not be forwarded to Doug.
And there could be problems with property if one of them died.
If I were to die, all of my property, that is actually our property, would be transferred over to Doug. But now Doug has to pay tax on that because it's an income for him.
In Robbinsdale, same-sex couples can register for a domestic partnership, but Doug and Duane say it doesn't go far enough, and they want the same rights as heterosexual couples.
I just think that all love should be celebrated, regardless as to who is sharing that love.
And love each other until your life is over.
Now, the couple's lawsuit against the state has been put on hold until June. They want to give Minnesota lawmakers time to work on several same-sex marriage bills. Meanwhile, some opponents of same-sex marriage say they worry changing the law could cost taxpayers more money. Maple Grove Senator Warren Limmer is asking the Finance Committee to check on the numbers.